Good morning, everyone. The ship has just pulled into Port Miami, so let's go take a look. All right, so here we are at Port Miami. Parked directly behind us at the NCL terminal, we have the Norwegian Escape. Very beautiful ship. We can see her water slides and rope course right there. And then directly behind her, we have a beautiful MSC ship. This is MSC's one of their newer ships, so it's very nice and beautiful. Directly behind that, we have the Carnival Mardi Gras, a very amazing, beautiful ship which has some groundbreaking amenities like water slides and roller coasters and more. Directly across from us at the port right there is the Virgin Voyages ship, a very cool adult-only ship which is amazing to see her right here, and she is currently parked at the Virgin Voyages cruise terminal. I believe she's actually backing into it right now. And also, when you're here at Miami, just come out onto deck to see the amazing city skyline and the amazing views you get up on deck. So, and then there's more of the city skyline over here. So that's pretty much your mini tour of Port Miami. And to complete my port tour, right there is the Carnival Horizon pulling in. Let's watch her arrival. And right behind the Carnival Horizon, a liquefied natural gas transportation ship is coming in, which is pretty cool. And now we have this barge pulling into the port. I'm not exactly sure what this one is. I knew what the liquefied natural gas one was, but I can't quite tell what this one is, but it's still pretty cool to see here in Port Miami. Alright guys, so that was your little deep dive into the Port of Miami. Now I'm gonna head up to the Windjammer for an early breakfast because we have to get off the ship soon, so let's go to Windjammer. Alright guys, so I just ate breakfast in the Windjammer. It is now 7:45. We have to leave our cabin, like check out of the cabin in 15 minutes. And we can't leave the ship yet because when you sail into a US port, before anyone can get off, the port authorities have to check the ship before anyone can get off. And from what I know and what they've been saying on the announcements, they either have not checked the ship yet or are still checking the ship, so we are not able to get off yet. So we're just waiting for the port authorities to finish their check of the ship. Okay guys, it is now 8 on the dot, so that means we're checking out like right now this room. We have just cleaned up everything in the room. It is all empty for the most part, and we will be ready to check out of the room in just a second. We packed up all of our stuff, and soon we will be getting off the ship. I'm very sad, but let's just finish up all our packing and get ready to leave. And with the close of a door, we have officially checked out of our room. Okay guys, so right now it is 8:30 and we've checked out of our room. Right now we're just hanging out in Central Park in my favorite little secret area. And we leave the ship at 9, so we have 30 more minutes until we start to disembark the ship, so yeah. All right, it's now 9 and we are going to head down to the dining hall for disembarkation. Officially off the Oasis of the seas. Everything that happens is motivation. And we have officially left the cruise terminal and we are officially off the cruise. Alright guys, I hate to do this, but we are in the parking terminal and it is now time to leave. Thank you so much for watching this Oasis of the Seas vlog series, and thank you so much for sticking through the end of it. We hope you enjoyed. And as always, my name is Holden, and you're watching Cruising Holden. See you in the next cruise vlog series, guys.